Hello everyone, I'm Brian Sibley and I'm doing another CD Japan unboxing. This time it's from an anime series that I adore because it's my first anime series that I ever saw. You see, before before the late 90s, I didn't watch anime. I didn't even know what it was. Of course, later I would find out that shows that I've heard of from kids in school that they've been talking about were anime, but they weren't in my area and I didn't have cable to watch them in. So I just had local over-the-air TV channels. Not until 1998 or 99. Christmas of 98, I think. I got a Game Boy Color, and with it was a game that an anime was based off of, and it will influence me for the rest of my life, forever. And I can say that I just began watching the Japanese version and importing the DVDs and Blu-rays. Well, in this case, Blu-rays being before DVD. Before the Blu-ray. Sorry, I'm repeating myself, but I'm still asleep. Well, before Blu-rays, as you all know, DVDs were region locked, and so are Blu-rays, but with Blu-rays, you can import stuff from Japan and bring them over here to America, because us and Japan has the same region code as we do in America, region A, so it's more easier to import than it was on DVD. You would have to hack your DVD player, unfortunately. And unfortunately, back then that was kind of illegal, but people still do it. And even now, they still, as long as they don't make it commercial, it's legal, but if they do, it's illegal, I think. But the series I'm talking about, I've been into since the late 90s, as I said, and no, not the other shows that it kind of a rip-off of. But this particular CD is from the most recent series, and the previous series didn't go too well because it almost made me lose interest in the series. They did so much changes to the characters and too little time and way too much overwhelming. And the usual female change character that travels with the main character Oh, I can't believe how annoying she was. She was grade A annoying. And by now you probably already know what it is. So let me put it down and me open this. Alright. The series I'm talking about is Pokemon. And recently, that idol group, I think, that released a new single. The group called, I think, say, D's. I think that's how you pronounce it. And the album translated into English, Let's Dance with Pokemon. It has the opening, the new ending theme for Pocket Monsters XY, Peace Mile, which they announced on the Pokemon Sunday show. And I've heard it already, and it's good. It also has instrumental version of it, and the ending theme for the first ending, and it has a cover version of the opening theme of the show Volt, and it has it with ladies and with Rika Matsumoto, who we all know is the voice actress of Satoshi, or as we know over here in America, Ash Ketchum. See, even in Japan, has his voice by a woman. And the reason I got the DVD and CD, it's because I originally have had only the Reason Lock DVD player, but a couple years back, when I was still in school, I went on the internet and found out how to hack into the systems, the OS, and I just hacked into it, made it region free, so I'm able now to import any DVD I want. And I'm happy about it because there was one DVD I was getting that we didn't get that had the special features. It was ridiculous because unfortunately with this one it had a documentary too with it, and I love me some documentary, especially with this kind of stuff. You see, I'm into science and stuff, and one of my loves is learning about stuff. Okay, here's the spine. It always, those Japanese CDs don't seem to come with. And here's the CD itself. Let's Dance with Pokemon, with ladies and Riddler Group and Pikachu. And here's the back. Here's with Pikachu. Cute picture with Pikachu, Chespin, Forky, and Fennekin, and the Danny. And I can tell you, Best Wishes really was a horrible series, but this series, it practically redeemed itself. I almost lost interest in this series, and I was sad because Pokemon was so awesome before Best Wishes. Team Rocket was funny, the story was good, everything was good. It wasn't until Best Wishes came along when it went downhill. I wish it didn't even happen. But it did, and I had to deal with it. But let me open it, show you what's inside. Here's the CD being released by Sony Music Records. And the other side with this CD. And the other side with an adorable picture of Pikachu. And Pikachu is one of my favorite Pokemon, by the way. Here's a DVD. Don't understand what they say. And here's a group. Let's see what inside. For the advertisements. Whoever that is, don't know and don't care. All I love is the show. So as I thought, it had long lyrics. Okay, and it looks like the animation in the DVD. It looks like it. Okay, Animation Production OLM, the same guys who does the anime. And by the way, if you don't know already, the anime, the team who does Pokemon is Team Kato, who does it. Originally, it was Team, I forget now, but if you look on the original, the Japanese wiki, you will find OLM and I think Team Iguchi did it. I don't remember who does the show now. originally, but I know originally the team did another show. It was a magical girl show in the same way as Sailor Moon, and the character designer actually was the character designer of Sailor Moon. So, yeah, most of the staff in that show would go out and do Pokemon. And the director, too, Kinehiko Ihama, did Wedding Peach. And a lot of the staff went on and began doing Pokemon. It's surprising. Nowadays, you wouldn't imagine them doing Pokemon. The Pokemon kind, you wouldn't imagine them doing a show for girls. And when I found out, I didn't believe it. Well, that's a history for you. But I can tell you this. Right now, I'm planning to do an unboxing of this one pre-order I have. It for the new dub of Sailor Moon. And I'm planning an unboxing of it when it comes in November. So, letting you guys know. So, wait for it. And I'll try to have video up of my South Shoreline trip before then. I can't plan this. First time I took a train trip alone, a long distance, I didn't plan, and it almost became a disaster. So you have to stay with me, and so no, I am planning, and I do not want to mess up. Hopefully it'll be sometime around October. I'll do it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, please comment and tell me how you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a nice day, and like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.